Ladies and gentlemen, the most outstanding club of the year. Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, the golden toss of the ground. We have the most outstanding club of the year 2025. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the ground. Let's go for the group tonight. The lion is here, ladies and gentlemen.